What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For all of you DIYers out there and home renovators and Costco lovers, today I want to do a video walkthrough of the Mohawk wood laminate flooring that I purchased through Costco's. Wood laminate flooring right now is anywhere from $1.50 at Lumber Liquidators to $3.50, $4. You can get pretty expensive with this stuff. Again, this is laminate wood flooring, not luxury vinyl plank. And so this laminate wood flooring here was $2 a square foot at Costco's, and it's made by Mohawk. And for those of you who don't know, Mohawk's a pretty good company. They offer great warranties, quality products, and really nice designs. And this design here is called Wood Mill. And it looks beautiful. I mean, I think it looks really, really nice. It goes with the color and the paint, and the baseboard is just so nice. I wanted that nice contrast. But besides that, it's textured. It's got this like scratchy textured feel to it, and it does not give. When I put some luxury vinyl plank down in another flip I worked on, it was rigid core, however it gave, and I did not like that. I want to walk on a floor and it feels really rock solid beneath me. Now again, pine wood floors, that's something different. I don't mind the creak of pine wood floors and the character of that, but for something like this, I want it to feel rock solid, similar to that tile there, and it does. It feels very nice. So again, this is laminate wood flooring. We ripped out the carpet up here and put down this laminate wood flooring. The reason why I chose this flooring is the price. Through Costco's, $2 a foot is just really good for, I think, the quality and the value of the floor. And B, this is an Airbnb for me, and carpet is just a no. You get smells in the carpet and dander in the carpet and just germs in general. So it's just really important for me to be clean. And so I wanted to replace the carpet and put down this wood mill laminate flooring. But let me show you guys the stairs. We took out the carpet on the stairs and laid this wood flooring down on each stair. And look how beautiful that came together. And disclosure, I did not install this, but I did supervise the project. So I had a great team come in and cut the stair nose all the way down to the bottom, and then we butted up the laminate flooring right into the stair nose, into the skirt board. So that just came together so beautifully. Let me show you guys just how thick the floor is. So here's a piece that's not finished. We mismeasured on a stair nose, miscut, and unfortunately we have to order new stair nose, and that segues nicely into this tip here. If you are looking to do a project with Costco flooring, Costco does not sell the moldings, the stair nose, the quarter round, the transition pieces in store, at least not my Costco. So you actually have to go to Costco online and order those molding kits individually. And so I'm waiting another 3 weeks, unfortunately, for just one piece of stair nose to come in and put it on this piece here. Another tip, when you see the pricing online for this particular flooring was actually $2.50 a square foot, and in the store it was $2. So check your actual local store, and it could be cheaper in store. So look at the thickness here of these boards. I want to say it's at least a 1/4 inch, maybe 5/8, and it looks no, not 5/8, a 1/4 to 0.25 to like 0.33, I would say. And it just looks really, really good. You can see the veneer, the laminate veneer is just on top and really is true wood below. I mean, you can see the knot in the wood right there. I do wonder how waterproof this flooring is. If it somehow got in between this seam right here and then got into here, how is that wood's gonna rot, right? It's gonna swell up and break the seam. So I am curious how it's gonna hold up. Luckily, all this flooring is not in a wet area, so we should be fine. But we'll see. Time will only tell. But yeah, the stair nose piece just matches beautifully with the flooring. The kit itself was just really nice. I'm really pleased with the look of it all. I want to show you guys just the label in case you are curious what the exact flooring is. All right, so Mohawk again is the name of it. They do advertise this as waterproof, featuring splash defense. This is a wood mill oak. 1519796 is the item number. So in each box there's 18 square feet. So you simply measure your square footage, and then you can do your calculation with the 10% waste for the room or area that you're doing. These are some of the highlights here. So it has waterproof technology, scratch proof, stain resistant, installs fast, residential warranty, and it's pet protection. I would say that it took us 5 days from tear out to finishing pieces. 5 days with skirt board, 5 days with quarter round, with stair nose, letting glue dry, and then painting actually. But yeah, that's a comprehensive review, guys, of the Mohawk flooring sold through Costco's. I hope you found some benefit and value in this, and only time will tell to see how it holds up. Thanks for watching. Take care.